Hello, my name is Javier Beardo and I've studied chemical engineer at the Cádiz University, and I'm currently doing an internship at the Department of Production of the A350 Airbus Section 19 line. According to the unit, we will have to talk and explain about what and which is the smart city I have selected. But first of all, I will briefly introduce you what is a smart city. It is a sustainable, intelligent city, or commonly known as a smart city. It's an innovative city that uses information and communication technologies and other means in order to improve the quality of life, the efficiency of operation and urban services, and its competitiveness, guaranteeing at the same time that meets the needs of the present and the future generation with respect to economic, social, environmental, as well as cultural aspects. The city I've chosen is Tokyo, and it's one of the smart cities per excellence. Uh, there are two key motives underpinning Japan's smart city projects. First, improving energy security and efficiency, and showcasing advanced technology. In Tokyo, smart city projects have introduced energy efficiency solutions, including high efficiency systems, electric vehicles, and local power storage. But how has Tokyo gotten this recognition? Okay, I will tell about someone. The first one is promoting innovation in support of startups and SMEs. The city has several programs aimed at promoting the inclusion of the latest technologies in the professional fields. The objective is to revitalize commerce through the use, for example, of the Internet of the Things. On the other hand, it is expected that supports for initiatives that are committed to innovation can help expand local businesses to international projects. Um, Other one, LED lighting. The city encourages all citizens to replace traditional lighting with LED lights. The reason is easy. LED lighting is more efficient than the conventional lighting due to the lower cost in energy having the same illumination. They can be installed in private home as well as in the offices, buildings, factories, whatever. One of the measures to inspire change in this regard is the use of LED lights in metropolitan facilities around the city. Another is to provide LED bulbs in exchange for incandescent bulbs in electronic stores. Another one, clear the streets. Another initiative is to reduce the number of electrical poles that agglomerate the streets with electronics and telephone cables. For this, electricity poles have been uninstalled all over the city, and the installation of new poles have been prohibited. The main reason behind this action is safety, since a high number of cables that rise over the streets can hinder recovery after a natural disaster such as an earthquake. Architecture. Strict anti-seismic regulations that have been applied in construction in Japan for decades. Without any doubt, Japan is the best prepared country for these issues. Nowhere else in the world has an earthquake magnitude of 9 in Richter scale and caused so little damage. But how can a 250-meter skyscraper cannot be destroyed? The objective is to make the building swing but not collapse. So there must be flexible structures that emit a certain degree of deformation, that can be vibrate and even move slightly. An earthquake is a sudden movement that makes to undulate the building. If we take a dry cane and bend it, for example, it will break. Instead, a living reed is flexible. You can move it, deform it, and it molds. That is the essence of the anti-seismic construction. I will talk about future projects that they have in mind. For example, they have a building that is a tower, and it will be called Exceed 4000. Will be 4,000 meters high, and will serve as home, workplace, and shopping for more than 1 million persons. It will be located in the Bay of Tokyo. Will cost around 300 billion and 900 billion dollars, and will be self-supplied with solar energy. The design is inspired in the Mount Fuji, and the base will have 6 square kilometers of surface. Designed by the company Taisei Construction Corporation, it will be an intelligent building since it will have to control the internal temperature, the illumination, and the atmospheric pressure in its interior. We must not forget that it will be more than 4,000 meters of height, and at the height there is less pressure. So that's all. I hope you have understood my presentation, and here I give you a regards guidance. Bye bye.